Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening your project folder in VS Code and creating index, HTML plus styles, CSS. This gets you into the editor quickly. Once done, install Live Server and a CSS linter extension because they speed feedback and catch mistakes early. Make sure the CSS link is correct in the HTML head so styles load. Next, enable Format on Save and set your preferred tab size. These small settings keep code consistent and save time as you progress. You now move into efficient authoring. Type btn span to expand with emit and save keystrokes because speed matters in iteration. Once emit and IntelliSense are active, customize snippets for recurring layouts so you avoid repetitive typing. Make sure Live Server is running and use the built-in DevTools to inspect rules and cascade. This explains why a rule wins. Also, use the linter panel to resolve specificity or syntax issues as you code. It prevents costly layout regressions. You finish by comparing versions. Use the editor diff or a comparison extension to review CSS changes before committing. This helps you spot regressions. Once done, run a minifier and test in multiple browsers because subtle rendering differences can appear. Make sure to add necessary vendor prefixes only when required. If something breaks, clear the browser cache, confirm the linked path, and inspect specificity in DevTools. These 3 checks resolve most styling failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.